Hello friends. I hope you all are doing well. In this lecture we will learn about fundamental rule of counting and tree diagram by using simple real-life examples. First of all, I will talk about factorial, its notations, and how can we find factorial. The notation n factorial, used to represent the product of the first 10 natural numbers. N factorial is read as n factorial. Let's see how can we find factorial. According to definition, here 2 factorial is equal to 2 multiply 1. Similarly, 5 factorial can be found by multiplying 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And here it is equal to 120. It is important to note that 0 factorial is equal to 1. Also, n factorial is only defined if n is a whole number. It means they will be undefined if you will try to find factorials for numbers like 1.5 and -2. We will talk more about factorials in the next lecture. Whenever we talk about counting techniques, first of all we have to understand about fundamental principle of counting. The fundamental counting principle or fundamental principle of counting states that if one event has n possible outcomes, and a second independent event has n possible outcomes, then there are m multiply n total possible outcomes for the two events together. Tree diagram help us to find all possible outcomes of an event in a very simple way. We will use some examples to understand the concept of fundamental counting principle with the help of tree diagram. Let's consider example 1. You have 3 shirts and 4 pants. How many possible outfits do you have? If all pants can be used with each shirt. If you will see the above definition, you will find the answer by simply multiplying your choices. So there are 12 possible choices. Here is example 2. If a coin is tossed and the number cube is rolled simultaneously, then find total possible outcomes by using tree diagram. As I already mentioned that tree diagram is a very helpful tool for counting and in listing total possible outcomes. Here you can see the tree diagram. You can toss a coin first or number cube, it's your choice. If we toss coin first, then there are 2 possible outcomes, head and tail. If we throw a number cube, it has 6 possible outcomes. So it is possible that coin turns up with head and the number cube with any number from 1 to 6. Similarly for tails. So we have the following 12 possible outcomes. Here is another interesting example. Let's consider you are buying a new car. There are 2 body styles, sedan and hatchback. There are 5 colors available. And there are 3 models available. GL, standard model, SS, sports model with bigger engine, and SL, luxury model with leather seats. Now again the question is, how many total choices do you have? You have 20 seconds to answer the question. To count the total choices, see the following tree diagram. Construction of tree diagram is very simple. I have started the tree diagram from body style. We have 2 body styles. Follow up with 5 colors and 3 models. So we have 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 3, which is equal to 30. So there are 30 possible choices. I hope you have enjoyed the lectures. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section.